Hey, everyone! Welcome back. Today, we've got a cozy and delicious recipe that's perfect for the colder months. Crockpot potato soup. It's creamy, hearty, and incredibly easy to make. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our tasty recipes. Let's get started. Alright, let's take a look at our ingredients. You'll need 6 to 8 potatoes, peeled and diced. 1 onion, finely chopped. 3 cloves of garlic, minced. 4 cups of vegetable or chicken broth. 1 cup of diced celery. 1 cup of diced carrots. 1 teaspoon of dried thyme. Salt and pepper to taste. 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese. 1 cup of heavy cream. 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Chopped green onions and crispy bacon for garnish. Step 1. Prep work. Start by peeling and dicing your potatoes. You want them to be bite-sized pieces. Also, chop up your onion, celery, and carrots. The prep work is key to making the cooking process smooth and efficient. Step 2. Into the crock pot. Now, grab your trusty crock pot. Add in the diced potatoes, chopped onion, minced garlic, celery, and carrots. Pour in the vegetable or chicken broth too. Cover the ingredients. Season with dried thyme, salt, and pepper to taste. Step 3. Let it cook. Set your crock pot to low and let it cook for 6-8 hours or until the potatoes are fork tender. This slow cooking process allows all the flavors to meld together. Step 4. Make it creamy. In a separate bowl, whisk together the heavy cream and flour until smooth. Slowly stir this mixture into the crock pot, allowing the soup to thicken. This is where the magic happens, and our soup gets that creamy texture. Step 5. Add the cheese. Now, for that extra touch of indulgence, add in the shredded cheddar cheese. Stir until the cheese is fully melted and incorporated into the soup. This step takes our potato soup to the next level. Step 6. Serve and garnish. It's time to dish it up. Ladle the creamy potato soup into bowls. Garnish with chopped green onions and crispy bacon for that extra burst of flavor and texture. And there you have it, our delicious and easy crock-pot potato soup. Perfect for a comforting weeknight dinner or a cozy weekend lunch. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tasty content. Let me know in the comments what recipes you'd like to see next. Until then, happy cooking!